Hi there, my name is Jane. If you're new here, welcome to our channel. Make sure to click the subscribe button and the bell so you're not gonna miss our latest Blackpink unboxing videos. If you've been wanting to watch Blackpink's upcoming livestream concert this January 31, join our next challenge by singing Blackpink's Ice Cream song. Just click the link on the description box to download our free MP3 and submit your video as an entry for a chance to win Blackpink The Show's standard access. Shout out to Clarissa Stubesa, Gloria Soraya, Ishrat Zaman, Cheskinix Vlog, Alea May, Kitty Jilly Jelly, Unique Kitty Corn, Rashali Makijani, Abigail Kalma, Nana Aura, Aisha Tasildar, Aritra Tara, Karil Tostin, and Nikolay Ferrer. If you're new here, thanks for watching, and you're always welcome to join our fun challenge every month for a chance to win Blackpink merch. And please don't forget to share our videos to your social media accounts. We'd be so happy if you do that, as a big help for us to grow this channel. If you can help us get 100k subscribers so we can boost our prizes to a lot of perks, gifts, and winners per challenge, it would mean a lot to us. Thank you so much for your love and support, my fellow Blinks. Kamsahamnida, terima kasih, dhanyavad, maraming salamat, XOXO.